I've been watching you for a while. You smile and style. Wanna know if I can be with you for the night. That alright, baby, baby.
Alright, y'all. I'm just giving y'all an unasked for eyebrow tutorial, period. Okay. So I'm just going to go in with my clear styling wax on my eyebrows. It just helps lay my eyebrows down. Don't put too much though because it get flaky. Okay, girl? Wipe it on back. Alright, then I'm going in with a brown eye pencil. I don't use black, y'all, because it just be doing too much for me. Also, too, I like to do like upward strokes at the beginning of my brow and then just going in and going like straight strokes to the back because that's just how they're gonna lay. Get into it, sis. Then I'm going in with my concealer, and I'll have everything listed below what I use. But y'all, I like to outline first because, baby, doing this right here, what I'm doing right there, chill, I'll be done wipe my whole eyebrow off, okay? And who got time? Now on the top, I can be, I can do a little extra on the top. Yes, ma'am. Oh, yes. Get into it, y'all. And I'm just going in and I'm going to buff it with my Morphe brush. As y'all can see, I do dab, but I also basically wipe too, especially on the top because it's like, I don't want all that on the top, but period. There you go.